welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready to go to Disneyland Paris for Halloween this month. It's only like a couple weeks away now, which is really crazy. It's hard to believe that we're already like 2 weeks away from the very end of October because we are going on Halloween. Recently this year learned that Disney had Halloween parties. I'm 24 years old and I'm just now learning this. I've never really lived around Disney. We still don't really live super close. It's a 4-hour drive. Really doable for, you know, a one-night quick trip, but it's not like an hour or two to the point where we could just go whenever. It is very close. This is the closest I've ever lived to Disney. And so it's just really convenient and relatively cheap to go compared to like, if you compare it to like flying from another state or another country, like a lot of people have to do to go to Disney. This year I have been watching a lot of Disney YouTubers, so that's how I learned about the Halloween party thing, and Disneyland Paris also has one. I bought tickets. My husband was actually supposed to be deployed, but he's not, thank God. So originally it was gonna be a solo trip and I was pretty excited about it because I feel like if there's anywhere that you can go alone and not feel weird about it, it's Disney. We are trying to think of a solo trip. Disney's a really good idea because seriously, I don't think I would feel weird going to Disney alone. Because we're going for Halloween, obviously I bought some stuff for outfits. First thing is actually what I'm wearing. I've had this for 2 or 3 weeks now and I love it. It is from Etsy. Actually all of this is from Etsy. Etsy is probably like the place to go for Disney like specific stuff, for like holiday or park specific stuff. This is a sweatshirt. It just says Disneyland. I'm pretty sure this is the, well, it just says Disneyland, so I guess it could be either Disneyland Paris or the California one. Halloween characters on it, the balloons, some bats, and then it says trick or treat right here. It's really nice quality. It's really thick. I was not really expecting that because you never really know what you're gonna get from Etsy. Sometimes you get really nice quality things. Sometimes you just get something that's kind of meh. Sometimes it, like, you can tell it's handmade. Shirt, you cannot. It's screen printed, which I prefer it to be screen printed because the vinyl stuff just eventually peels off or gets like weird. I can't remember how much this was, but it doesn't really matter because I went back because I was gonna buy a Christmas one and the shop is closed. It doesn't exist anymore. I don't know why, because this is a really good quality item, but they closed. So I had to get my husband a shirt because last time we went to Disney for my 24th birthday. I had like a birthday sash and all the birthday stuff to wear, and he was like, well, what am I gonna wear? Like, do I not get shirts? Because when we went to Tokyo Disney, when we lived in Japan, we like got 3 different, because we went for 3 days in total. Lived in Japan because we had to fly there. Got shirts for us, like matching kind of shirts, like couple shirts for all 3 days, and so I think he felt a little bit like left out during my birthday. Oh, I found him the perfect Halloween Disney shirt. And like Monday of this week, I don't know if it's backwards or not on the camera, but it says, my favorite Disney villain is my wife. I mean, it's perfect. This is another one that's pretty good quality. The only thing is, I'm pretty sure this is vinyl, which I don't love. It's put on there pretty well though, so that's good. This is only gonna get worn once, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times in total, so his doesn't really matter as much because this one I've already worn like 7 times in 3 weeks. But this shirt was only like $11. And it's a Bella canvas one, so you guys, I'm sure you've had one of those before. They're really soft. This is just so cute, and I will link this shop below because this shop does still exist if you want this shirt or another kind of Disney shirt. When we went to Tokyo Disney, one of his shirts, which was my favorite one, remember what mine said? I could look, but I don't know what it said. Like a Disney princess, something about me being a Disney princess on it. But his said, I'm just here to pay for everything. And then I think it had like the Disney snacks on it or something like that. Shirt, like he literally referenced that shirt when he was asking if he was gonna get a shirt this time. So there's his shirt. I feel like that one is on the same level as the I'm just here to pay for everything one. The big thing about this video. You can't go to Disney and not have ears. You can't. I'm sorry, but I think that's a crime. Do not go to Disney and not wear a pair of ears, okay? I have never ordered Etsy like handmade ears, and I'm sure you guys have seen all the special handmade ears people make. They are incredible. So far I have only had ears from Disney itself and Amazon. I bought some from Amazon last time. They were fine, were not the best quality, but they did what they needed to do. They served their purpose for the day. You could definitely use them again. But this time I got some ears from an Etsy seller who hand makes them, and I am so excited. I am frequently becoming Disney goers. We are kind of considering an annual pass right now for Disneyland Paris, because really not that expensive. If you go more than like 2 to 3 times a year, you're getting more than what you're paying just in the ticket price. So kind of considering it right now. I'm not entirely sure. I would hate to start that and then not end up going as often as we think we would, or not being able to, or anything like that. I don't really know. Open these Halloween ears. Let me know what you think about a Disney annual pass. Have you ever had one? This is Disneyland Paris, so it's a little bit different. The pricing, I'm pretty sure, is different too. Just let me know what you think. I would love to make more Disney content, and the only way for me to really be able to do that kind of stuff is if we got an annual pass. We can't afford to just keep buying individual tickets over and over and over. At that point, it's just dumb. Like, you should just have an annual pass. I don't really know what I want to do about that. I know some people are super hardcore Disney people who will be like, yeah, do it. And then there's also some people who are not really theme park people or not really Disney people. They don't really understand the whole like Disney magic thing. And they would be like, why would you spend money on that? So it's probably gonna just be split down the middle and not be helpful at all. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll do it, maybe we won't. Here we go. Oh, just kidding, the front's facing me. Ah, gosh. Okay, so if you guys would like to know what shop's name is, here it is. There we go. Christie's Corner Shop. And there is a code, so I'm guessing you could use this. It's Friends10. Oh, and they do have an Instagram. It's at Christie's Corner Shop. So here they are. Things came really fast. I left a note and I was like, hey, the address is a US APO address, but it's coming to Germany, and it's probably going to take a way longer than it would if you were just sending it across the United States, because you're sending it across an ocean. And I need these because this is my only option for Halloween. She did great and she got them to me. Here they are. How cute are these? If you guys follow me, you might know that I love Baby Yoda. He's so cute. I never really cared that much for Star Wars until Disney took it over and created Baby Yoda. I love him. He's just the cutest little thing, and I think a lot of people agree with that. So there they are. So they just are a little boo fabric. There's some little frogs on the O's. There's Baby Yoda all over, some spider webs, some little ghost, some pumpkins, a strip of sequins right here, which is a nice touch, seeming to cover up where they like connect to the headbandette. But I think it looks really cute. One bow with the little charm. I did pay like $1 extra to have the charm added, but super cute. This headband is quite nice. It's like I probably faux suede in the center right here. They're not that heavy either. Oh yeah, these are really comfortable actually. Here's my Halloween look. It's so cute. So I also think these go really nicely with the cutesiness of the sweatshirt, because it's all cute little characters. That's what I'll look like at Disney, except for I'm gonna do some like extravagant like makeup with some like face paint, Mickey pumpkins or something. I haven't really decided yet, but something like that. Probably the most comfortable ears though I have tried on. snag. They don't hurt so far. I'm sure by the end of the day they would be bothering me a little bit, just because that always happens with things behind my ears. These are really cute and I'm really happy with them. They weren't that expensive either. $36. So they are more expensive than what you would get in the park. Park ears. Ones I've bought were like $20. Actually, all the ones I've seen have been like around the $20 range, maybe like $22. I have seen some for cheaper than $20. There's also ones in the park that do cost more, like the Loungefly ones and stuff. Like, I just have not found any in the park that really give me like the same wow factor as the ones people make. So Disney has gotten better about it, I've noticed, but they're just not the same. And of course you're supporting a small business who literally handmade these. So I am happy to pay $10 more for these. So thank you guys so much for watching. This was just a quick little Disney get ready with me for Disney Halloween haul. I will be vlogging at Disney World, Disneyland. I always call it Disney World. It's Disneyland though, it's not Disney World. Disney World is better. I'll be vlogging, so it won't be up until after Halloween because we are going on Halloween night until 2 a.m. I'm happy to be back to YouTube. I'm going to try and stay consistent with it. It is just so hard because it is so much work. Honestly, I'm a photographer, so at the end of the day, the last thing I want to do is a hobby that I have to sit in front of the computer for another, 3-4 hours to edit a video. I do want to get back into it. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know what you think of the ears. Let me know what you think of Disney season passes, the idea of that. That's all for now. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram for more daily content. And I love you guys so much. See you next time. Bye!